Hi, I'm Tim Priebe with TNS in Oklahoma City. In this video, we're going to add a user to your WordPress website. From time to time, it may be beneficial to have additional user accounts on your website. Maybe you want people to log in to view certain content, or maybe you want different logins for the people that edit your website. You may just want to know who made what changes, or you may have a blog with multiple blog authors and your website is set up to show who wrote each blog entry. Regardless of the reason, it's fairly easy to create a new user in WordPress. We'll go to the Users menu and then Add New. Username can include spaces, and username, email, and password are the only things that are required. You can see down below the password and repeat password that it tells us this particular password is very weak. There are some suggestions to the right, but we'll go ahead and create a stronger password. Okay, they match now and they're strong. If you check this box, the user will be emailed a copy of their password. We'll leave that unchecked for security reasons. At the very bottom, you can select the role. A subscriber will simply be allowed to view any content that you've protected and required people to log in to view. On the other extreme, an administrator can do almost anything on the back end of WordPress. Obviously, there are a few other options as well. The best way to tell what the different options do, or if they will accomplish what you want them to accomplish, is to actually create a test user for those different options, log in, and see what the capabilities are. We'll go ahead and make this user an administrator. We'll click Add New User, and that brings us back to the list. You can see this middle row that the user was created. Now you may notice that this particular user already has a picture added, and yet we didn't upload any picture. This picture is pulled in from gravatar.com. The person with this email address, me, created an account at gravatar.com and uploaded this as the image. Using this email address, I also tied in this second email address to the same account, so it has the same image as well. This is actually the account we're logged in as. The other benefit to having an account at gravatar.com is I can go to someone else's WordPress site, leave a comment, and if they have images turned on for blog comments, it'll actually show my picture next to my blog comment. Let's say we want to delete a user. We're going to go ahead and delete the user we just created. We'll click Delete. Now it's important to note that there are a couple of different options for any posts or pages that were created by this particular user. We can simply delete them all, but rarely is that the ideal solution. Instead, we'll click on this second option and attribute all posts to TNS Web Design. That's a different user. What that will do is change the author of any posts by this user to be authored by TNS Web Design instead. Let's click on Confirm Deletion. Now that user is gone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you might consider signing up for our email newsletter at tnsgo.com/newsletter. If you need any help with your online marketing, contact us to see if we might be a good fit. You can reach us at 405-285-0000.
0348.